How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 10. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your settings app. Here we go. Now head towards the option of network and internet. Open it. Now at the left corner you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of status. Now over here you will find this section, advanced network settings. Under that you will find the option of network and settings center. Click on that option. Over here you will be able to find the internet that you are connected to. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on the option of properties. Now scroll down. Over here you're going to find this option of internet protocol version 4. Click on it. Then click on the option of properties. Make sure you haven't set up any manual IP address or DNS. If you have set it to manual, change it to automatic. Once you check this, you can head back. Heading towards next solution, click on this option of network reset. Then go through the process to reset network for your PC. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, what you have to do is click on Windows plus R key. Now type in dev mgmt.msc and then click on OK. With that, a new window will pop up. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of network adapters. Click on it. With that, you will find different driver options. Go ahead and click on your network adapter option. Just right click on it. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of update driver. Now select this option, browse my computer for drivers. Then click on next. The best driver for your device are already installed. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. At the bottom left, you will find this search box. Over there, type in CMD. Once command prompt app appears, right click on it. Select the option of run as administrator. Now you have to type in the command prompt netish space winsock space reset and then press enter. Then type in another command prompt netish space int space ip space reset space reset log dot text and then press enter. Then type in another command prompt ipconfig space /plus DNS and then press enter. And then type in another command prompt ipconfig space /release and then press enter. Now lastly type in the command prompt ipconfig space /renew and then press enter. Once you complete this process, you will be good to go. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 10. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.